Hi, today I'm going to show you how to log in and take a CAASPP practice test with your child. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to CAASPP.org. That is CAASPP.org. 2 A's and 2 P's. Once you get there, it's going to look like this, and you're going to want to click on Practice and Training Tests. And on the next page, you're going to have 3 rectangles to choose from, and you're going to choose Student Interface Practice and Training Tests. You're signing in as a guest, so leave all of this alone and click Sign In. Choose your child's grade. I'm going to choose 5th grade as an example. And then you'll see a lot of tests pop up. Do not get confused. You are only going to worry about these 4 up here. And when your child logs into the actual test, none of these will show up except for the 4 here. Unless you are in 5th, 8th, or high school, then you will also be taking the science test. So you will also have the science practice test. But other than that, none of these will be on the actual test. So you can see that we have practice tests and we have performance tasks. The practice tests are going to be more of those multiple choice, fill in the blank, drag and drop, and so forth, similar to the STAR 360. The math performance task is going to be a multi-step word problem, and the language arts performance task is going to be a writing assignment. So for the sake of just showing you how to get into a practice test, I am going to click ELA practice test. These are all different supports. If your HST has talked to you about supports, you can practice them here, but that's in another video on practicing with supports. So you're going to click the lovely chime, click I could play the video, begin test now. And what your child's going to see is exactly what the test is going to look like. So this is a great way to have them get used to what the screen is going to look like, where they're supposed to click to go to the next question, what types of questions they're going to be asked, and how to answer them. Like, for example, this first question right here, you're just supposed to click the answer that you think is correct, but you have to click 2 of them. So, and in math, there are all kinds of weird questions about plotting charts, dragging the dot and such. So it's really good for them to practice how to input answers. So what this does not do is does not score them. So it is not a good way for them to practice the content. At this point in the school year, they know what they know. We don't want to pressure them to try to learn everything in the grade or try to remember everything. We just want them to go into the test relaxed. So really, this is just for them to get used to what the test is going to be like so they don't have anxiety about it. And when they see it, they know exactly what they're supposed to do. So that's it. If you want to watch the other videos about using some of these tools and some tips or how to score the actual test, because there is a way to score it, then watch one of the other videos. But for now, that is it. That's how to get into a practice test for your child.